Chances are, if you own an Autel EVO, you've probably contemplated putting a tablet on it somehow. Luckily for you, the guys over at Thor's World Drones have created the Thor Lifthor tablet holder for the Autel EVO, and it's absolutely freaking amazing. Stick around. What's up, everybody? I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, and if you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video just like this. So I should probably call the EVO Boomerang because it keeps coming back. This is now the third time, but this time I promise it's permanent. It's not going anywhere. The EVO is mine. Big shout out to my brand partner DroneWorks for hooking me up with a permanent EVO, so that way I can continue to make videos and test out the new software and all things Autel related for you all. But today we're talking about the Autel EVO Lifthor tablet holder. Yes, it is absolutely awesome. Finally, I can mount a tablet onto my EVO controller safely. There's a lot to like about this tablet holder. First off, it is incredibly solid in the hand. It just feels really good. You have a spot for a lanyard holder, which I really do like. I've wanted that since day one. I'm always fiddling around with something, and I don't want to have to keep putting my controller down. So a lanyard holder is a big up for me. The other thing is it just makes the EVO feel much better in the hand. Probably, and I know this is going to sound stupid, but the thing I like the most about it is that it keeps the controller, like the handles, from folding in on each other. It's definitely fixed the ergonomics from my standpoint, but all in all, yeah, you can angle your antennas just the same. It's limited actually. You can only angle them in a limited manner. Tablet mounts from a holder up at the top. It's a standard ball head. You'll find this typically in a lot of like GPS holders and things like that. What I like about this is if I wanted to swap this out for possibly, I don't know, a phone holder, I could probably do that no issues and be able to mount this for a phone. But the tablet holder is adjustable. It can accommodate some pretty large tablets. I'm using the 9.7-inch iPad and I'm not having any issues, and I still have a bit more room, so if I wanted to put a larger iPad or a larger Android tablet, I could definitely do that. All in all, it puts together fairly easy. This is something that if you're going to travel with it, you're probably going to want to unmount it from your EVO first before you go ahead and box it up or put it in a bag. It does add a little bit of bulk to the EVO controller, but quite frankly, I really don't mind that added bulk because what it gives me in form of usability is way better than what the controller is just standalone. The EVO controller for me has always been a love-hate, and I really feel like the Thor tablet mount sort of fixes some of the things that I didn't like and just overall improves the usability. So if you were thinking about using this with your Android device, you can do that. If you were thinking about using this with your iPad, you can do this. Just add in just the slightest bit of weight to the controller. It's not incredibly heavy, but it just feels like the controller is so much more robust than it previously was. I thought the controller was fairly light before, and it just didn't feel like it had much heft, and I feel like this gives a little bit of oomph. You can get to your ports right here. Just let the flip, and yeah, all in all, I do like this. It is made out of what appears to be some form of polycarbonate. It's it's a hard plastic. It almost feels like aluminum, but it's not aluminum. It is a hard plastic. It's so premium. Even on the back side of here, so premium. Everything is so well done, and you can take it apart just by your fingers. Now you will need a different screw to actually mount this to the back of the EVO. They do include that in the box. You don't need any tools to mount this either. You do need one screwdriver to take the original screw off to mount this, but that's really it. A lot of people have tried to make controller mounts for this drone, but it's really tough. There's only one singular screw holding in for a phone, and if you mount a tablet or a makeshift tablet mount to the EVO, you run the risk of potentially damaging the EVO. What the Lifthor does is basically provides that added support for a heavier device such as a tablet. Honestly, for I think it's 84 bucks that they're selling this for, I don't think you guys are going to find a better tablet holder today. I mean, maybe later on down the road somebody make one, but I don't think it's going to be anywhere as near close to what, gosh, I mean, factory could be. I mean, this thing is just, look at this thing. It looks stunning. It really does look stunning, and it feels really well built. And I just like the fact that I can take it off in a blink of an eye. It doesn't take very long to put it on or off. It's easy, no tools required, and I get to use my iPad now. So it's a big up. So for me, the Lifthor tablet mount is a go. I'll include links in the description. Right now, DroneWorks has the exclusive on these tablet mounts. So if you want to get one, link will be in the description below. 84 bucks. If you bought an Evo, if you want to use your tablet, this is the way to go. This is awesome. And now that I have an Evo again, I'll be using my iPad. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you liked the video, again, make sure you drop it a like. As always, stay original.